morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this my video, is your one and only Katarina Golden Baby TV. If you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. I beg, if you know say you're new to my channel, no fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on that bell on. Anytime when I drop any video or I upload any video, you go be the first person when they go say I don't drop again. So my people, and if you have already subscribed to this YouTube channel, thank you and God bless you for being the part of my family. And if you are still watching, you have not yet subscribed, thank you, God bless you. So today I want to talk about one video when I come across. As in, when I come across the video, I just say, which kind of thing be this one? I know say a lot of people go say, what it concern now? Yes, it concern me, my sister, it concern me, my brother, because I get genuine one like that. I get genuine sibling like that. When I come across this video, according to the video, when I taste it, I constantly try to go a lot of the detail concerning that video. So when I see the video, I can't try to know more about the video. This the teacher he just they teach the children about, you know, now, and the way this teacher say beat this omomo, may I put on like that, the way they beat this baby, he beat her as in the thing he can't wake me. He beat her to the extent the small baby, the small omomo con they shout, not be just omomo like that, although now still teenager. You understand? The baby con dey shout say, I beg, I go read, I go read, I go read. My brother, my sister, not be that baby na cause your frustration, eh? Not be that baby na be the principal when they pay you, eh? Not be that child, not be the headmistress when you dey work follow. Not be that baby be the person when you say me that they pay you 15,000 naira every month. You choose to do the job. Now you take one do one. No use that pepper body. Control they maltreat people, children for school. Say all the way, because say they won't go school. Yes. Everybody want go school, everybody want treat their children, but not be the extent where you go beat and hurry before person carry camera the video. You know say that beating don't pass school matter. That beating don't pass school matter. You understand? The way you take beat this baby, as if the baby they hold you money, as if that girl they hold you anything. I beg. The way you take bait that, as I did so, I talk when I see this video, and I say, oh, if na me get this sister, they all beat on like this, what I go do you? I go make sure say, I go follow that my sibling reach school, come meet you. Not be by force. Again, children will be say their brain, even though say you beat the natty tomorrow. Their brain don't be like that, don't be like that. Some choose to learn work. Some choose to go to school. You understand? Some choose to learn work. Some choose to go to school. You know, missing a beating. Now children won't say no waiting that they read. You feel beaten at it tomorrow. That book not go stay inside the head. Not be by that one. Cause you call beat and people go they carry camera, call they video you. What kind of a teacher are you? If that again now your baby, now your son, now you born now your daughter, you go allow person because of say it's the teacher. You go allow around me beat her like that. I bet me will call his pay. The way you take beat that little girl, so take the gay come for you as he come peace for body self. You still the beat am. What kind of a teacher are you? I remember 2015, if I'm not mistaken. 2015, I be 2014. It was 2015. Then I knew reach here. I remember when Oshomole, be 2000 and something. I remember when Oshomole they interview a host teacher of this will not be primary school, not be KG school, not be Akara school. A host secondary school teacher they interview her just to spell D. Just to spell, just come out that thing. That teacher not fit spell am. All in the name of teacher. Not be say Oshomole sitting no it to see know the book like that, but no Oshomole call the correct answer. See wetin you need to write. This one a teacher. Some teacher who they don't know anything. Only waiting the figure know as far as they see that baby name. Maybe they don't yet say that they call this person Ima or that they call her John. They don't cram for their heads. Anytime when they want mark register, they don't already know say that person are John. So choose to learn work. Now this what white people say better times two. Times two. Now this one they say better. White, if they say you don't know that thing, they go use play to teach you. They go use seriousness to teach you. They go use different type of things to teach you. If they say you know harm, they go use game. They teach you, they'll make sure say you know that thing, but not be by beating. Our Africa people, our Africa teacher, they believe in a beating. Now they make children the no book. No, children of the beating of put this thing book for Percy head. You know if put book for Percy head. And our parents make us still on one thing. If children they grow the corner, see say they don't pass 12 years, they don't pass 16 years. You see say the way they go school, the way if you tell us a spell common boy, you know if you spell and common cat, you know go if spell and call that baby. Make your children your friend. Make your children your best friend. As far as best friend not vous dey around the game, best friend not the game. Just make your children, make your children your best friend. As you make them your best friend, carry and sit down, my daughter, what say you want to do for life? It go tell you say, mommy, this school when I dey go, because now the way you take your child, now go say open up, tell you say this school when I dey go, I don't tire, I want learn work. Because you dey force and they go, you dey beat and you know they give her rest of mind. I know say yes, it good make person go school. At least if you still see something where they say pass, you go say this one are D, this one are A, this one are Abuja, this one are Lagos. But not be the essence when you go take beat child like this. See this video, I not go play and finish this little video where you see for you. Now when it say beat this girl. So te person call video run. Now it cause your frustration. Now it say me government not they pay on our way. Now it say me that they pay you 20,000 naira a month. Now it say me that they pay you 15,000 a month. I beg our teachers. I beg me this one may not repeat itself again. May not repeat itself again because if now you born that girl when you beat like that, so the girl call peace for body for that matter. You understand? So the Corvo beat her to the extent the girl called the chat say I go read. But this girl now you go imagine say if parents not go say okay if you talk Richards now the parents not go talk anything. Say me they go ask the teacher. A lot of teacher dey like this, they'll call class like this, they'll go drop book for children, make they copy. After they don't copy finish, do you understand? That be their question. Some children will be say that they fear to say yes. I don't understand. They go say yes, I understand. Because they go still beat them. Why do you say you don't understand? They call their bad name when their parents not call them for house. They call them different name when their parents not even call them for house. Now then you go the year, are you stupid? What did they do you? What is wrong with you? Why must you say you don't understand? Are you the only student in this place? They'll call this speak English, all those fake English, audio English. Or in the name, make they just teach them, make they come up for that. After all, they know they pay the better money. My friend, my brother, my sister, I beg, wanna help me share this video. Make it go viral. I beg, make una help me share on. Because it do too much. Before person, imagine before person call a video you like this. It don't say when you did do one. Maybe God will just use this one. Say open your open and say, I see what they do to this students. You beat this student, beat and so the get called every the shout. I go read though. When I know they look my face. She don't write exam, she don't write everything. She won't enter school. She dey go school, they learn work. She just tell me saying, her girlfriend don't graduate. I say yes. He say, but she see this her girlfriend for market today. She call answer say, what you call the do now since when you graduate? Although the girl does still marry. She call answer, what you call the do now? Say the girl call tell her say now she go the learn tailor because she not see work. But I not pray for that one for anybody. Not be say they not go school, they not know what they read, they know what they read. But if you not get person for high seats, you not go see work. If you dey go for a banker, they will tell you say, use what you have to get what you don't have. What are we talking about? Corruption. If you want go school, I remember when I give my junior ones money me to go write exam for Uniben. They tell her say make she come pay bribe for that matter before she go fee. They fee write her name, join people when want take the exam. But this girl, this my sister, she not understand what that person tell her. When she explained to me, I tell her say, go meet them, ask them how much they want collect for your hand. Before I reach there, the auntie tell her say, the very day when he tell you, the next day now you supposed to call pay the money. Say nah, people don't already complete. What are we talking about? The second time again, she still make attempt to go write the exam for Uniben again. She write the exam. They say now 200 or something now they need. But my junior sister, this one is my own sister, our last one. This girl get 200 or something past the mark when they give them. Just because of money, just because of bribe, they not collect this my sister. But they not tell her say you need to pay so money like this, or you need to find person where they high seats for Uniben before you will fit go there. Because she don't know, she just feel say, I don't make the paper with that happiness. I don't write exam, I don't make can. I dey wait make they call me. He wait for more than 1 month. They not call her. Now when she call still go again, they tell her say, why you go just relax like that? You need to find person where they up for there. What are we talking about? Corruption. People they keep quiet because they don't see say now so the country could be. If it good for us, it good for us. Everybody believe on their own self. Everybody believe on their own self. People go the school feeding, they not go see work. They will tell you say, if you too talk, they'll tell you say, you cannot just you know, they'll come they speak English for you. I get girlfriend that time when she graduate finish, she dey find work for bank. This man called, they tell her, they come meet me. With that happiness, I don't see work. He drop everything. Drop his CV finish. He might tell her, say, come meet me for so place like this. When she tell me, say, follow me, go, I tell her, say, I know they go. That man will tell you, say, come meet me for so place like this. Bet me go come, you go see what he go tell you. Exactly what I tell her. Now she tell me say the man tell her. And this girl was in fact, I feel even deny for another Christian as the same person know God. The girl know God. And I feel even stand to and say that girl never even know man. The girl tell me say, it better remain without no working down for her to do rubbish. What are we talking about? This one a person will be say graduate, he get everything. But if now Europe, they go for compensate for the school when he go, he can't get degree. Then you the big person picking. You don't do it. You will surprise say you just come class now, just write abadabidi for that. After the abadabidi, you ask they say, do you understand? Maybe the girl go say no. Or I now the bitty be down. No, wanna change your character. Because and this thing na still mother hands now this thing for the no na mothers are beg. If you see say your pikin don reach JS3, SS1, e no dey sabi read, answer call her sit down, make am your friend, draw near body. Pikin wey you carry 9 months, some mama wey you carry 9 months, draw near body, tell her which work you wan learn. You wan go for this school, you know how much I dey spend for you, sha. You wan go school, e go say yes. But I know they see your improvement. Maybe the way you take call anybody, that person go, that charge go open up for you. Say, Mommy, I don't want to go school now. Work I will. I don't see my junior one. They fear my dad. If they go school, if they carry last as they tell you so. I can't call her from here. Call her. Answer. What do you want to do for your life? He tell me say na hairdresser dey in mind, but today he's doing great. He's doing great in that hairdresser. Every time madam they testify. In madam they testify, say some kind hair wey be say he go say they go outside work. Now she go stand do the art of 16 girls. What are we talking about? You want to tell me say that kind of person gets assistant tomorrow, he open store, he get everything for store, you will tell me say he not go make him money? I beg. The beating too much. It's too much, I beg. It's too much. I want silent the video because I silent this video because not be everything YouTube they allow. So if you want to see the main video, go my page for Facebook. Go see the main video for that side. It play. I not silent the voice. It play for that side. Now Katarina Goods. Now be my page for Facebook. If you find me for Facebook, check for Katarina Roland. Or you go my page, Katarina Goods. You go see the two things for there. So I not just too they happy when I see this video. I just say I just still come and talk about them. I beg our teacher mona learn. I beg. Our teacher beg. We they beg on not be saying now we now as in we know say sometimes children we need to see correct them, but not be by this kind of beating when you dey pound as if you dey pound them. All the whole frustration you use and say beat these students, all the whole problem when you get. Maybe they owe you 6 months salary. You go say last month I teach you now, they not pay me. Last 2 months I teach you now, they not pay me. Last 3 months I teach you now, they not pay me. Now all of them, now you take gather, take beat this baby. Now you gather, not all you 6 months where they hold you. Now you take beat. I wish you go for carry chair, take beat this student you forfeit. I beg, we dey beg on a beg. Now people na bonding. Imagine now you go get children for us. So maybe now so you still they do your children, but you feel do that one are your children. We never see them. The day we go see them, we go see cry come out. I beg, Mona share this video. Mona they stop to they beat our children for school. Not be beating one made the notebook. White people they get different type of thing when they teach person for school. If you now make it go hard because before we'll be like whites. It go hard. You go see say like this they go carry, may I put this thing, this cloth they disturb me. Because the way I want to say I do this matter before, not be say I cut hands on. Because the thing wake me. You go see say white people, they go carry games, different type of thing. If they teach you with joke, you no understand that. They go use seriousness, they teach you. If they teach you like that, say you no understand that, they go carry games, come maths, game. You will start with the notebook by force, without no beating. Una go use almost 9 hours to teach children. Almost 9, una go teach 2 hours. Why? If they're too spent for school, say maybe they teach them. If they too teach them that thing, like me, I dey go school for year. Now 2 hours class now I get. And that 2 hours class, if I dey come, wetin they teach me, I go know, because I not spend 4 hours, 5 hours. If you spend 5 hours for class, wetin they teach you, it already come out. Because the one where they go, this one go come, this one go teach social study, it go come out. Another one go come, it go teach mathematics. Another one go come, it go teach CROS. Another one go come, person wey not even know Bible go come, they teach CROS. They go teach finish, they go come out. 5 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, person see day school. 4 hours, person see day school. 3 hours, person see day school. Wetin you dey learn? How you want just take carry everything for your head once? Social study go teach, mathematics go teach, home economy go teach. This one go cut teach you for one head. How you want to learn now? Nigeria muna change. I leave my question with our parents. I bet muna draw on our children near body, so that they will fit tell on wetin they won't become for future. Okay, mona draw the near body so that they will fit tell on wetin they will become. The way this math matric they beat these students now, that one reach us now, because if you still talk, your parents go still mash and journal, he go keep on between himself. If he get any bleeding inside now, nobody go know. He go they die slowly, they die silently. Wetin we dey talk about now? You born now. You no go write later, go give your parents, say I want you now for school, or you tell the owner of the school where they hold you 6 months salary, or if they hold you, if they pay you 15,000 naira, na that body, that pepper body they hold you. You tell them make it invite the parents, cause school make they talk to the PK for your presence, say you know the notebook. Parents, now my question be that to you guys. So I know I made this video too long before, but that's why I cut it here. I leave my question with you guys. Please draw your children close to yourself. Don't allow somebody to maltreat your kids as if they have nothing. They don't have parents when they have one. Bye-bye for now. I remain Katarina Golden Baby TV. Remain blessed and stay tuned. I come your way again.